Hey, What If Labs explorers! Ever wondered what it'd be like to live on Mars? Would you jump super high, party with aliens, or survive a Martian dust storm? Buckle up, because today we're blasting off with 5 mind-blowing facts about living on the red planet. Smash that like button and subscribe to What If Labs to join me and Luna on this cosmic adventure.
Mars is the hottest planet in the news right now. Well, not literally. It's freezing. In 2025, NASA's Perseverance rover found rocks that might hold ancient microbial life, making everyone wonder, could humans live there someday? Imagine moving to Mars, building a space house, and having Luna as your cosmic cat neighbor. But what would life really be like? Let's dive into fact number 1. Comment below if you'd move to Mars.
First up, Mars has wacky gravity. It's only 38% of Earth's, meaning if you weigh 100 pounds here, you'd weigh just 38 pounds on Mars. That's like losing 62 pounds without a diet. You could jump 3 times higher. Check this out.
Fun fact, NASA says this low gravity could make your muscles and bones weaker over time, so you'd need to exercise like a Martian gym rat. Luna, show them your cosmic workout. Whoa, Luna! Save some energy for fact 2. Tell us in the comments, what sport would you play in Mars's low gravity?
Here's fact 2. A day on Mars, called a sol, is 24 hours and 39 minutes long, 40 minutes longer than an Earth day. That's extra time for gaming, napping, or chasing Luna around your Mars base. NASA's data shows a sol is longer because Mars spins slower than Earth. Imagine 40 extra minutes every day to explore craters or hunt for those microbial fossils Perseverance found in 2025. But here's the catch. Mars's thin atmosphere means no ozone layer, so you'd need a spacesuit to avoid sunburn from cosmic rays. Speaking of space, let's move to fact 3.
Fact 3. You can't breathe on Mars. Its air is 95% carbon dioxide, 2.7% nitrogen, and only 0.2% oxygen, compared to Earth's 21% oxygen. You'd need a high-tech spacesuit or a sealed Mars habitat to survive. Here's the wild part. NASA's MOXIE experiment in 2021 made oxygen from Mars's CO2, producing 5 grams per hour, enough for a small dog to breathe. Imagine Luna running around a Mars base with her own oxygen tank. But the air's so thin, it's like living at 90,000 feet above Earth's sea level. No wonder Mars is tough. What's the weirdest thing you'd bring to a Mars base? Comment below.
Fact 4. Mars is home to Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system. It's 13.6 miles high, 3 times taller than Mount Everest, and 374 miles wide, bigger than Hawaii. If you lived on Mars, your backyard could be a volcano. NASA says Olympus Mons hasn't erupted in 25 million years, so it's safe for now. But imagine hiking it in low gravity. In 2025, scientists are studying Mars rocks for signs of ancient life, like microbes that might have lived near volcanoes. How cool would it be to find alien fossils? Hit that like button if you're ready to explore.
Fact 5. Mars has epic dust storms that can cover the entire planet for months. These storms, tracked by NASA in 2025, whip up winds at 60 miles per hour, turning the sky red and blocking sunlight. If you lived there, you'd need a super sealed house. The 2025 Perseverance data shows dust storms could hide microbial fossils in the soil. Imagine digging up alien life during a storm. Plus, Mars's 2 moons, Phobos and Deimos, are so small they'd look like stars from your Mars porch. What's your dream Mars house design? Share in the comments.
Wow, living on Mars would be wild. Low gravity, long days, and dust storms. Would you move there, or is Earth your home base?
Smash that like button if you learned something new, and subscribe to What If Labs for more mind-blowing science adventures. Check out our video on what if Earth's gravity just vanished next. Link in the end screen.
Subscribe What If Labs for more cosmic facts, and comment your favorite Mars fact below.